Welcome to ASE certification training. Let's explore what it takes to become a certified automotive professional. This comprehensive program is designed to empower you with the knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to excel in the ASE certification examinations. ASE certification validates your expertise through rigorous testing and hands-on experience requirements, ensuring you meet the highest standards of service quality in the automotive industry. ASE stands for the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, the gold standard organization that has certified automotive professionals for over 4 decades. The ASE examination format consists of multiple choice questions designed to test both theoretical knowledge and practical diagnostic skills in real-world automotive scenarios. Each ASE test has specific time limits and scoring criteria. You'll need to demonstrate proficiency by answering questions correctly within the allocated time frame to achieve certification. The examination covers 8 major domains. Engine systems and diagnostics accounts for the largest portion at 20%, followed by brake systems and electronic systems, each at 16%. Suspension and steering represents 14%, while engine performance covers 13%. Heating and air conditioning makes up 11%, with manual transmission at 7% and automatic transmission at 3%. Core technical skills are essential for success. These include diagnostic abilities, system knowledge, troubleshooting techniques, and hands-on repair competencies. Here's a practice question. A customer complains of a grinding noise when braking. What is the most likely cause? Grinding noise during braking typically indicates brake pads have worn down to the metal backing plate, which grinds against the rotor. This common issue requires immediate attention. ASE certified technicians work in various environments, including dealerships, independent shops, fleet operations, and specialty automotive service centers. Critical safety standards are paramount in automotive service. Following proper procedures protects you, your colleagues, and your customers from potential hazards. Client interaction excellence involves clear communication, professional conduct, and the ability to explain technical issues in terms customers can understand. Professional ethics and standards guide your conduct. Integrity, honesty, and commitment to quality service define the ASE certified professional. Join study groups, practice with real scenarios, set clear goals, gain hands-on experience with actual repairs, and track your progress through practice tests and self-assessment. ASE certifications must be renewed every 5 years. Stay current with continuing education and retesting to maintain your certified status. To summarize, ASE certification demonstrates your commitment to excellence, validates your expertise, and opens doors to advanced career opportunities in the automotive service industry. Prepare thoroughly, study consistently, and approach your certification with confidence. Your success journey begins now. Thank you for your commitment to automotive service excellence.